Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Code Like Coder. Today we are going to discuss about identifiers and what are the keywords present in the Python programming language. So first is identifier. Identifier is nothing but it is the name in a Python programming language. Name in the sense it may be variable name, it may be function name, it may be class name, or it may be module name. So function name in the sense like suppose we want to store one value in one variable, suppose a equals to 10. So let me go to the Python console. Here I am in Python console now. So if we are storing a equals to 10, that means a, now here a is our variable name. And same thing we are going to discuss function name, class name and module name in our upcoming videos. So as of now we need to think about like identifier is nothing but it is a name in a Python programming language, and the name it may be variable name, it may be function name, or it may be class name or module name. So while declaring identifier we have a couple of rules. We need to follow that rules while defining the identifier. The basic rules are few, like some particular character only we can use in our variable name. Only we can use character characters. It may be lower and upper both, lower and upper both, and we can use digits from 0 to 9, and also we can use underscore symbol. So except these things, if we are using any other category like other character, some special character, we can use only underscore. If we are using any other thing, then we will get the error. Now we'll verify everything is one by one. The character, suppose now I am going to Python console, and we can use small a equals to 10, or we can use capital A equals to 10. So from here we conclude that like small and capital both are allowed in variable name. We can defining variable name or identifier with both small letter and as well as capital letter. And also if you want to define and with character, if you want to use some digit, suppose I want to use 1 equals to 20, then we can use a1, we can use that a1, we can use mixing of two value, one is character and one is 1. So underscore also allowed. Suppose a underscore b, I want to give one variable name and I am defining value as 100. And if we are accessing that value, then we are getting the value as 100. Except that if we are using any other character, suppose I am using a star equals to 20. In that case, it will throw error like syntax error something. I'm not okay. So this is one type of a symbol is allowing, it is the exceptional thing like variable length, and some other concept is there. We'll go that away. Suppose we are using dollar equals to 20. So here we'll get error. Dollar is not, let me give you dollar symbol. Dollar is not allowed in identifiers. Okay, so next thing, here we conclude only characters are allowed both small and upper, and digits are allowed 0 to 9, and underscore are allowed. If second thing is let me just a minute, yeah, second thing is, third point is, if we are defining our identifier with underscore underscore, then that variable then that variable we called that variable we called as private variable. Suppose I am taking one variable name and I am giving with underscore a equals to 10. Then in that case, this is nothing but a private variable. The concept of variable like private variable will get to know in upcoming videos. So as of now, just think like, if anything we are using like underscore fast is underscore then variable, then this is the private variable. The concept of private variable will get to know in upcoming videos. So next point we are going to learn about digit, like variable name starting with digit digits is not allowed. Suppose we are defining one variable and we are giving one digit, then we are using variable, then we are defining the value name like that variable value. In that case, it will give the syntax error, because digit cannot be used like first letter of the identifier cannot be digit. Got it? Only underscore is allowed. After that, compulsory we need to use character only. It may be the upper letter or it may be lower letter. So but suppose we are using letter character, then we are using digit. Now I am assigning it to 20. Now it is working. If I am accessing also, it will get our required, like will get the value. Okay, so here we are concluding that variable, if one variable name starting with digit is not allowed in our identifier. And second thing, okay, the next point is in number 5, uh, identifiers are case sensitive. Case sensitive means, suppose here I am defining a equals to 20 and I am accessing a equals to 20. But if I am accessing capital A equals to 30, then here A equals to 20 and capital A equals to 30. Here you can observe like small letter having different value, capital letter also having different value. So in Python, identify like variable name having case sensitive, like it is different. Okay, and next thing is dollar symbol is not used. Okay, we already discussed this thing. And what else? Okay, next point is reserved keywords is not allowed. Reserved, reserved, reserved keyword is not allowed allowed in Python. Okay, suppose we want to use one variable name as a keyword. Suppose we have keyword true. Suppose I am using true equals to 20. In that case, it is clearly showing cannot assign to keyword. That means the identifier is true and true is a keyword, and we cannot assign value to a keyword. Okay, so this is all about identifier. This is the most important point. Identifier is nothing but it is a name in the Python. It may be variable name, it may be function name, it may be class name, or it may be module name. So in identifier we can use only characters. Characters may be lowercase and uppercase. and digit from 0 to 9 and underscore symbol. These three categories are included in identifier. Dollar is not allowed in identifiers. If we are defining our identifier with underscore, then that variable we call as private variable. We use these things and we observe, like first thing is underscore, then following with some character or some digit, anything, it is fine. And also like variable name, like first digit cannot be first letter of a identifier, or variable name cannot be a digit. These things also we observe. Identifier are case sensitive and reserved keyword is not allowed. Okay. Next things, so this is all about identifiers, and next things we are going to discuss about keywords. So what are the keywords? So what are the keywords already present in the Python? We are going to see that. So just go to your Python console. Okay, in Python console, just first we need to import one module called keyword module. Okay, in keyword, then we have keyword dot ls, sorry, keyword list. Yeah, so this will show what are the keywords are present in the Python. By default, these are the max, like these are the, except these things, we don't have any other keywords in the Python. We have false, we have none, we have true, and as, assert, async, await, break, class, continue, def. So these are the keywords present in the Python programming language. So in this video, we'll learn about identifier and keywords. In next video, we'll coming with some different like concept. So as of now, stay with me, and we'll see you in next video. Thank you.